There is money in that. Whoever said that statement did not lie. And today we are speaking about crisp bread, one of the pollinators we have in the farm. Crisp bread is sweet, but don't let it stay for long so that it becomes spongy.
Crisp bread is one of spherical apples that majority of people compare it with pink lady, but I know according to research they say that it was rebranded crisp bread because of it was pink lady, but because it was grown in a different country, so it was rebranded to crisp bread. This variety is very productive. It fruits through the spurs and also through the tip. It's one also of the best pollinators because it's very productive. It does not have the same with the golden dosat. It does not know planning. This shape, when you take it to the market, people target mostly got for this variety of apple because they relate to it because it's spherical. Okay. Another thing about this apple is that it is naturally juicy and sweet, but when it's overripe, it is spongy. So one thing you need to avoid is growing it to be overripe. You want it to have that 50% to 80% ripe, not 100% ripe. It is used, other people use it in cooking, they can use it in making value addition and also eating. So it's one of the best varieties you need to grow in apple orchard. It can grow anywhere in the dry climates and also in the cold climates. Challenged with this variety is affected by fungal diseases, so you need, during the cold season, you need to protect your apple variety from those kind of fungal diseases. Not much affected by pests, but I saw some aphids during rain season. It is mostly affected by aphids, which can be controlled even organically and very easy. But the fungal diseases are the one which have a challenge to control. This variety also sheds the leaves very naturally during any time of production, and it is produced. It when you growing it not commercially, just for your own home consumption, it can fruit throughout the year. We also have the seedlings for them, so you can order from us, and then we will help you grow this variety and train you how to grow it, to train it, and also to prune it. These crisp red apple have a shelf life of between 30 days to 40 days there. That is in a normal temperature. But when you put it in a storage where you can control the temperature, it can stay between even 5 months, 6 months going forward. So storage is very key for it to stay for long.
Jay Kusenga intends to share knowledge with each and every person who is intending to be a farmer, a small-scale farmer or a large-scale farmer. And our intention is to have you have large production, even if it is small-scale. From Jay Kusenga Farm, today's topic was crisp bread. Adios.